Nigla, Assistant Professor. Today topic is Introduction to Big Data. First, what is Big Data? Big Data is nothing but a large collection of informations. That is, Big Data refers to a huge amount of data that is collected from different sources. Example, social media, online shopping, websites, mobile application, banking system, sensor and smart devices, hospital and healthcare systems, videos, images, and emails. The field of big data analysis focuses on collecting, storing, processing, and analyzing this massive data of informations. Next one is evaluation of data. What is by evaluation? Evaluation is nothing but how to handle the data. So the companies handle only small amounts of structured data using simple databases. As internet used increased, the amount of data also increased rapidly. So company data is smaller data and internet data is a large amount of data. So there are two types of data. Only structured data, second one is unstructured data. This is major data types. Then another one is semi-structured of data. The next one is traditional data. That is small in size, stored in tables, easy to process. Then big data, that is extremely large, comes in different formats, generated continuously, requires advanced technologies. For example, Google processes billions of search daily. This is the example. Then traditional data, I already explained the three types: small in size, stored in tables, easy to process. The next one is modern big data. The example of modern big data is Google processes billions of searches daily. The next one is Amazon stores customers' purchase and recommendations data. Netflix analysis views habits and recommended movies and source. The next important topic is characteristics of big data. The important 5 features of big data are, that is called as 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, value. First one is volume. Volume is nothing but the quantity of data generated by every day. Example, social media posts, online transactions, videos uploaded to the internet. Next one is velocity. Velocity is nothing but speed. What is the speed the data is generated and processed? Example, live stock market updates, online payment resources and transactions, real-time traffic information. Next one is variety. The variety refers to different types of data. There are 3 types. First one is structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Structured data is nothing but data are stored in rows and columns, that is in table format. Example, student records, bank records, etc. Unstructured data, there is no format, no fixed format. Example, images, videos and audio files. The next one is social media commands. Semi-structured data, partially organized data. Example, XML and JSON files. I'll explain this. The next one is veracity. Veracity means the accuracy and reliability of data. Sometimes data may contain errors, duplicate entries, and false informations. So how to clean and how to organize the data? So it contains a veracity. Next one is value. Value is nothing but meaningful information inside the data. The main purpose of big data is to help organize, improve services, increase profits, understanding customers, and predict future trends. Next one is technologies used in big data. All of you very well know about different types of social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. So these are the data. From these data are stored in these types of big data. For example, MongoDB, Apache Hadoop. These are the main database to store the data. Apache Hadoop, a framework used for storing and processing large datasets across multiple computers. Features are distributed storage, high scalability, and cost effective. Next one is Apache Spark, a fast processing engine used for real-time data analysis. Advantages: faster than Hadoop in many operations. Next one is MongoDB. That is a NoSQL database used to store unstructured data. NoSQL is nothing but no structured query language. So that is no tables. Apache Huffa used for handling real-time streaming data. These are the explanations. Apache Huffa. The next one is applications of big data. All of you very well know about in all the fields data are stored are very secure and safe. So based on the big data, the data are stored in the particular organization. These are the some examples of applications of big data: healthcare, banking and finance, education, retail and e-commerce, social media, transportation. So in healthcare, big data helps to predict diseases, monitor patients and improve treatments. Banking and finance is used for fraud detection, risk analysis, customer management. In education, is used to track student performance, improve learning system, personalize education. Next one is retail and e-commerce. In these companies analyze customers' behavior to recommended products, improve markets, increase sales. Example: Flipkart, Amazon, and so on. Then social media, all of very well know about social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook analyzer user activities to provide personalized content and advertisements. Transportation is with the help of the sensor, traffic management, route optimization, smart transportation system. For example, Google Map. Advantages of big data. These are some advantages: better decision making, improved customer service, increased business efficiency, faster problem solving, predictive analysis, cost reduction. Thank you.